Hey everyone, Devin and Sheer here with the Blended Adventure. We're in Mississippi right now. Bugs galore. We got a thermocell. We got bug spray. Bugs are not. They're immune to any of the anti-bug stuff. So, anyways, last night we stayed at Yogi Bear Jellystone Park in
Breman,
Georgia.
or Breman?
Breman, Georgia, Waco, Georgia, somewhere right around there. That's what the weather app said. So we just wanted to highlight some of the stuff from last night. It was a fun campground.
We stayed there for one night.
Only one night, yeah, only one night. So what we're doing right now is moving from North Carolina, moving all the way to Colorado, but taking 2 months in between to go out, get our Keystone passport out. So. Party scale. So what it's going to be is price, accommodations, recreation, terrain, and environment. And then we're going to total up all the scores, make that our score. So like I said, first night out, this is our baseline score. So price, we decided to give it a 6.5 for price. $65. Decent price, but we felt like we should have got a little bit more for the price for $65.
So accommodations.
Yeah,
what are the accommodations?
Well, we give it a 7 for accommodations. So accommodations are like laundry facility, cable, showers,
Wi-Fi.
Yeah, those type of things.
Glamping stuff.
Yeah, all the stuff like if you've got, if you want to glamp and you have kids, it's nice to have cable and Wi-Fi and stuff.
Yeah, so they did have all the hookups, everything you need. They did have the laundry facility. They had showers. As far as Wi-Fi, they did have free Wi-Fi, but it was kind of shoddy, and also cell service there was pretty weak as far as our provider goes.
Yes. Yeah, which is T-Mobile.
But that's okay. I mean, you're not really there for Wi-Fi, but eh.
Yeah, so the next one on party scale is going to be recreation. So recreation there, so they had, we gave this a 7. They had a lot of different stuff. Some of it, they've had some upgrades to it, but it is a $65 campground. So, but they had a pool and a splash pad.
The pool goes to 4.5 feet, starts at, I think it was 3.5, and goes up to 4.5, or down to 4.5, and then back up to 3.5.
Yeah.
And then on the other side of the fence, there's a little like mini shallow pool with a waterfall in the middle for the young kids. But there was
somebody broke some glass, so they had to shut down the pool. Completely understandable that they have to do that.
Yep.
But we only got to play in the pool for about 10 minutes. Then we went over to the kids' splash pad.
And they had a ball.
Absolutely had a blast. They also have a playground with a zip line. Zip line was like some of their their kids' favorite things.
And by zip line, we mean like a really good secure cable with a rope swing and a big old wood circle that the kids could kind of do by themselves with adult supervision.
And they also had mini golf. We were only there for one night, so we didn't get a chance to do the mini golf.
It looked really cute though.
But
It was
definitely good for like young kids.
small.
And then they also had gem mining, where you have to pay for like your bags of dirt, and then go gem mining.
They also had the inflatable slide.
Oh yeah.
Giant inflatable slide and like a big inflatable jump pad as well.
Yeah, definitely.
Lots and lots. And there's also at this campground just a thought that there are cabins as well that you can rent out.
So next on it is going to be terrain. So with terrain, we gave it a 6. So real secluded area, but all the sites were kind of hilly. Depending if you have like a longer rig or not, might have an issue with leveling. We noticed that where we had to get level, our freshwater hose was actually short. We had a 25-foot hose, which we haven't had issue with before. So we stopped off and got a longer hose. But we give it a 6, still pretty nice.
Mm-hmm.
And then the last one is going to be environment. So we gave that a 6. Environment, just overall, the campground. It did get higher points because it is gated. You need to have a code to get in and out, so it felt ultra secure. So that was a plus.
It was quiet.
Yeah.
Neighbors were respectful. The staff was super friendly and very helpful.
Absolutely.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so for the overall party scale, at best out of 50, we're gonna give this a 32.5.
I think that's fair.
Yeah, definitely fair.
It was our first one, so
it's a base. It's a baseline for us.
Mm-hmm.
We're not gonna do anything absolutely, crazy. We don't want to set the bar super high. So when we go to these other resorts, that they're, these actual resorts that just blow us out of the water. But we also didn't feel like we needed to give it that low of a score, because it was really nice.
And it was a lot of fun. The kids had a lot of fun.
Absolutely. Yeah. They didn't want to leave because of that zip line.
Yeah.
So make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with all your friends. And until next time / tomorrow, because like I said, we're in Mississippi, so we'll be doing another video about this and our next 2 months of adventure. All right, bye.